We are back with Michelle Shanks from the Summit Credit Union. We're talking all things kind of like financial institution 101 kind of stuff. So this is a very common thing to do. You want to go buy a car. And so you start looking around, you fall in love with something, and then you're like, oh, how am I going to pay for this car, right? Yes. And the dealer, of course, will always have, well, we have this kind of financing. But you say we should do what first?
I say go ahead and get pre-qualified from your financial institution first. That way your credit report is pulled once and once only, and then you can shop around for your vehicle wherever you like, whether it's at a dealership, you want to do it online, whatever it is that you want to do. You don't have to worry about multiple pulls from your credit report because that can lower your credit score.
Mm-hmm. And you can have that with you.
Oh yes.
So that you can show it to the dealer or whoever else, hey, this is what I'm approved for, that kind of thing.
Actually, you don't have to even show it.
Mm-hmm.
Once you are at, say for instance, you're at a dealership and their first question is going to be, would you like for us to finance that? You can just simply tell them, I'm already pre-qualified at my financial institution, and then they will start working that into the paperwork, because they will get that information from that financial institution directly.
And of course, you just got to weigh like who's giving like the best deal, right? Of who's giving the best terms for your loan. But it's always good to have a starting place instead of only having one choice. This gives you lots of other choices.
Lots and lots of choices, but you also have the assurance of knowing how much you're paying for that vehicle, knowing what your monthly payments will be, as well as your interest rate. So you're not guessing once you get to the dealership. You already have that information at hand.
Okay. All right, we're getting a couple of questions in here. So someone's asking, do I have to roll my coins before I take them to the bank?
Yeah, depending on where you bank. Some places, I'll say for instance the credit union, we have a coin machine, so our members can come in and utilize that without rolling their coin, whether it's in a piggy bank or in a jar, and they can dump those coins into it and it will count it. A lot of stores have coin counters. They may charge as well, but not necessarily. You don't always have to roll, but I would check with your financial institution first to see what they accept.
Okay. We're getting a question about the difference between a money market account and a savings account.
There are some differences, usually depending on how much the minimum is for you to have a money market. That is a little higher than what you would have in a regular savings. So you may be looking at $500 or $1,000 as a minimum for a money market, but you also get a higher yield with your interest rate with that sort of instrument.
Right, and you should always be asking or looking to see what is the interest rate that you're getting back on your savings account, your money market, whatever it happens to be.
Yes, always do your due diligence.
Mm-hmm. And if you can't figure it out like online or you don't know what it is on your account, you just need to call and you need to ask. I mean, it's not like they're not going to tell you.
Oh, of course, and a lot of places have it on their websites, or if you are able to go into the financial institution itself and find that information.
Mm-hmm. You had mentioned something in the break, and when you just said website, it reminded me of that. You were talking about how friends and family in the western part of North Carolina, they may need financial help, things of that nature. They may start getting on the internet or whatever, and they might get pop-ups of things that offer them things.
Yes. If you are not expecting a text or an email, I would not click on any links. If you are looking to get financial assistance, go straight to the source. A lot of places will advertise what they are offering to those folks, especially in Western North Carolina. But my go-to is to go to nc.gov. Go to the government's website directly to see what it is that you are looking for, whether it is financial assistance, whether it's housing, whatever it is, you can find it on our government's website.
You're just worried that people are going to get pop-up things that are scam things and whatever else.
There are lots of scams going on now, but it is even more prevalent whenever there's a natural disaster or a tragedy happening within an area.